Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of 3D printing, specifically for those who are looking to unleash their creativity without breaking the bank. 3D printing has become much more accessible in recent years, and with so many budget-friendly options on the market, it's the perfect time to jump in. But with so many choices, how do you pick the right printer? Fear not, aspiring makers. This video will be your guide to the top 5 budget 3D printers of 2024. We'll explore features, performance, and value to help you find the ideal printer to kickstart your 3D printing journey. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Let's start with the king of budget resin printers, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2. This machine is all about incredible detail and precision, making it perfect for printing miniatures, figurines, and other objects that require a high level of accuracy. Here's what makes the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 a great budget option. Sharp details. The heart of this printer is a stunning 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen. This high resolution translates to incredibly detailed prints with crisp lines and smooth surfaces. To protect this delicate screen, Anycubic includes a scratch-resistant film, ensuring your prints stay flawless. Bigger build volume. Compared to its predecessor, the Photon Mono 2 boasts a 20% larger build volume. This gives you more space to create, allowing you to tackle bigger projects or print multiple objects at once. Plus, with faster printing speeds of just 1.5 to 3 seconds per layer, you won't be waiting around forever to see your creations come to life. Upgraded light source. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 features a new light turbo matrix light source. This innovative technology delivers a stable and uniform light, minimizing layer lines and ensuring a smooth, professional finish on your prints. But wait, there's more. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 comes bundled with Anycubic's own Photon Workshop slicing software. This user-friendly program allows you to easily slice your 3D models, add supports, and optimize your prints for success. The software even includes model repair tools, helping you ensure your creations print perfectly every time. Overall, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a fantastic budget option for anyone looking to get started with resin 3D printing and achieve incredible detail in their creations. Stay tuned. As we continue down our list, we'll explore filament printers that offer fantastic value and user-friendly experiences. We'll also discuss some key factors to consider when choosing a budget 3D printer, so you can make the perfect choice for your needs. Number 4, the Creality Ender 3v3KE. Now let's shift gears and talk about the Creality Ender 3v3KE, a filament printer known for its blazing fast printing speeds. This budget-friendly workhorse is perfect for impatient creators. The Ender 3v3KE boasts a scorching printing speed of up to 500 mm/s, significantly faster than most printers in its price range. This translates to quicker print times, letting you bring your ideas to life in record time without sacrificing quality. Material Masters. The upgraded Sprite Direct Extruder is a reliable workhorse, capable of handling a wide range of filaments including PLA, PTG, ABS, TPU, and even ASA. Whether you're printing functional parts or artistic creations, the Ender 3v3KE has you covered. But speed and versatility aren't all this printer offers. Smooth sailing, the Ender 3v3KE features a sturdy steel X-axis linear rail with ball bearings. This innovative design ensures smooth and precise movement, resulting in cleaner prints with minimal layer lines. Auto-leveling savior, say goodbye to the frustration of manual bed leveling. The Ender 3v3KE comes equipped with CR Touch Auto Leveling. This technology automatically calibrates the print bed for a perfect first layer, every time. This is a game changer for beginners and experienced users alike. The Creality Ender 3v3KE is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious makers who prioritize speed, reliability, and user-friendly features. It's a great option for anyone who wants to jump into 3D printing and get impressive results quickly. We're almost halfway through our list of top 5 budget 3D printers. Coming up next, we'll explore a printer known for its exceptional value and ease of use. Stay tuned. Number 3, the Bambu Lab, a 1 Mini. Now, let's get colorful with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. This compact powerhouse might be small, but it packs a big punch, especially for those seeking a budget-friendly option that excels at multicolor printing. The Bamboo Lab. A 1 Mini is perfect for creative colorists. Unleash your inner artist with the A1 Mini's capability for multicolor printing. This printer lets you combine filaments to create stunning and vibrant objects, adding a whole new dimension to your creations. Newcomers to 3D printing. Don't be intimidated by the A1 Mini's multicolor capabilities. This printer is also incredibly user-friendly. It features a removable spring steel H1H build plate with 2 unique surfaces. One side offers excellent adhesion for the first layer, making it ideal for beginners. Here's what makes the H1H build plate special. Light beam or phantom. Choose between 2 sides, each offering a unique visual effect on your prints. The light beam side boasts a dazzling neon-like pattern, while the phantom side creates a mesmerizing illusion for a truly eye-catching finish. Easy removal. Thanks to the spring steel design, removing your creations is a breeze. Simply bend the plate to pop the model off. No additional tools required. The Bamboo Lab. A 1 Mini might be small in size, but it's a mighty contender in the budget 3D printer market. Its user-friendly design, excellent adhesion, and exciting multicolor capabilities make it a great choice for beginners and creative makers alike. We're nearing the top of our list. Up next, we'll explore a printer known for its exceptional value and reliable performance. Stay tuned. Number 2. Elgu Neptune 4 Pro on a budget. As we climb the ranks of our budget 3D printer showdown, we arrive at the Elgu Neptune 4 Pro. Don't let the Pro in the name fool you. This printer offers fantastic value for the price, making it a great option for those who prioritize speed and precision. The Elgu Neptune 4 Pro shines for speed demons. Buckle up! This printer boasts a mind-blowing maximum print speed of 500 mm/s thanks to the powerful Clipper firmware. While the recommended printing speed is a more manageable 250 mm/s, you still get significant time savings compared to slower printers. Precision powerhouse. Speed isn't everything. The Neptune 4 Pro also delivers exceptional accuracy. Upgraded metal guide rails and U-shaped steel wheels ensure smooth and precise movement, resulting in cleaner prints with minimized vibrations. Material. Maestro. No need to limit your creativity. The Neptune 4 Pro features a powerful direct drive extruder with a high-temperature nozzle. This combination allows you to print with a wide range of filaments from PLA and PTG to ABS, TPU, and even nylon. Here's another cool feature. Segmented heating zones. The Neptune 4 Pro boasts a unique dual heating system. The slicing software automatically activates the specific heating zone needed for your model, saving energy and speeding up the printing process for smaller objects. The Elgu Neptune 4 Pro proves that you don't have to break the bank to get a feature-packed and powerful 3D printer. With its impressive speed, exceptional precision, and material versatility, it's a fantastic option for budget-conscious makers who value performance. We've reached the final contender. Stay tuned as we reveal the ultimate champion of budget 3D printers in 2024. Number 1, the Budget King, the Creality Ender. 3v3 SE reigns supreme. We've reached the pinnacle of our budget 3D printer showdown, and the crown goes to the one and only, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. This printer strikes the perfect balance between affordability, user-friendliness, and impressive features, making it a fantastic choice for anyone getting started with 3D printing. Here's why the Ender 3v3 SE is our budget champion. Speedy, yet steady. With a printing speed of up to 250 mm/s, the Ender 3v3 SE lets you complete your projects faster without sacrificing quality. The optimized UI with motion graphics keeps you informed throughout the printing process, ensuring a smooth and successful experience. Reliable extruder. The Sprite. Direct extruder is a proven workhorse, capable of handling a variety of filaments like PLA, PTG, and even TPU. You can count on this extruder to deliver smooth and consistent filament feeding for exceptional results. Rock-solid stability. The Ender 3v3 SE boasts a sturdy build with a dual Z-axis and dual Y-axis design. This ensures stable and precise movement of the print bed, minimizing wobbling and ensuring clean, high-quality prints. The Ender 3 V3 SE goes beyond the basics, offering additional features like a silent 32-bit mainboard for quieter printing, a PC spring steel build plate for easy model removal, auto filament loading and unloading for a more convenient workflow. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is a true champion in the budget 3D printer arena. It's a fantastic all-rounder that caters to beginners and experienced makers alike. With its ease of use, reliable performance, and impressive features, it's the perfect gateway into the exciting world of 3D printing. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the top 5 budget 3D printers in 2024. We hope this video helped you find the perfect 3D printer to kickstart your creative journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and exciting 3D printing content.